Okay, Babu.
12 months of the year. January, February, cool and bright. March and April, flowers in sight. May and June, hot sun in the sky. July, August, rains pass by. September brings the gentle breeze. October, leaves fall from the tree. November is cool but have no fear. December brings the joy and cheers. 12 months we sing all year long. Come, let's learn with this song. From January to December clear, each month brings joy through the year.
हमारी हौसला अफजाई के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर लाजमी कर दें। अल्लाह हाफिज़।